What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix no GPS signal issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update. Now click on download and install. And from here check if you have any pending update, then update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software to latest version, the GPS signal issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then disable battery optimization for the weather app. So to do this, open settings, scroll down, and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down to the end and here click on weather. Now scroll down and click on battery, and from here if you have selected optimized, then tap on unrestricted, and after that the GPS signal lost issue will be fixed. But after these solutions, if you are still facing the issue while using the GPS, then the last option left is factory data reset. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now scroll down to the end and click on factory data reset, and again scroll down to the end and again click on this reset option to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset your mobile back to factory default and it will delete everything from your mobile. So click on reset, and after that the GPS signal lost issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.